everyone, and welcome to J7409 Weather. I'm Joel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the weather in general of what's going on for the lower 48 for today. Of course, Monday, the 22nd of July, 2019. It's going to be kind of rainy, folks, in places, but we should be starting to get a break from this excessive heat. This, of course, is the GFS map this morning, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. As I turn it on, here's what everyone can expect. Now, there is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms over parts of the mid-Atlantic into southern New England. There's also a slight risk of excessive rainfall from parts of the Tennessee Valley, roughly northeastward to southern New England. There's an embedded region of moderate risk of excessive rainfall from parts of the eastern Tennessee Valley across parts of the central Appalachians into the northern mid-Atlantic. Now, the dangerous heat wave that much of the Midwest all the way, of course, to the East Coast, as we've all felt it, is finally breaking up today as the front drops southward across parts of the East. I should still have a hot day today, but tomorrow I should see a big difference on the East Coast. Now, showers and thunderstorms are going to accompany this boundary from the northeast to the southern plains with heavy to excessive rainfall, and severe weather is possible. You folks need to pay attention. You could have some excessive rain, some flash flooding, and possibly, who knows, maybe a tornado may pop up. It might not. Now, the boundary is going to be slow moving, especially across parts of the northern mid-Atlantic and central Appalachians, which will increase the threat for flash flooding. I'm going to show you all that stuff in just a moment. Now, it's looking like that region is highlighted from northern New Jersey southwestward to parts of eastern Tennessee Valley with a moderate risk of excessive rainfall today. Just a slight risk extends from parts of southern New England to western Tennessee Valley and the lower Mississippi Valley. We got more widespread showers and thunderstorms that are probably going to develop over parts of the southeast and Gulf Coast states today also. Now, this boundary is going to usher in much appreciated cooler air mass, with most of the country east of the Rockies with temperatures 10 degrees below average. In addition, the front will move off most of the East Coast and also the Gulf Coast by Wednesday. Monsoonal moisture and daytime heating is going to aid in producing these showers and thunderstorms over parts of the central and southern Rockies, right into the parts of the southwest today and tomorrow afternoon late. That's how long it's going to last. Now, a front moving into the Pacific Northwest tomorrow should produce rain across the northwest and northern Rockies. Now let's check out where the severe weather is most possible today. Checking out the categorical outlook for severe weather today, what I just told you about where it's going to be at a higher risk for severe weather. Up here in the whole state of New Jersey, parts of Maryland, maybe the D.C. area, all the way up into Long Island, a little bit of New York there, Connecticut, maybe some of Massachusetts, right up in this area. Of course, then we have the marginal risk that spreads from Arkansas all the way up also over here in the New England area and down across Virginia and northern Alabama, Georgia, Mississippi, and North Carolina. And it's over here also in Wyoming, Colorado, and in the northern part of Mexico. Anybody in the green, whether it's light green, dark green, yellow, whatever, you could have a severe storm pop up. So please keep this in mind and at all times be aware of what's going on around you. So far as the tornado outlook, biggest threat is at 2% as of now. This could change, but I think with the cold front coming, it won't heat up quite as much. It could, especially right along this borderline, right in here, Like I say, I'm right here. I should still have hot temperatures today, but by tomorrow I'm going to be in the 80s. But up in this area of Connecticut, parts of Massachusetts, Long Island, some of New York, the entire state of New Jersey, parts of Pennsylvania, and also in Maryland. That's a 2% chance of maybe a tornado today. When we look at the wind, biggest wind threat up to 15%, still in this same area, right up in here, with a 5% chance in the brown. And what about hail? Well, the hail's not looking too bad right now. It's just at 5% from Colorado into Wyoming and northern New Mexico, and right up into the northeast, of course, where the severe weather is forecast to be most potent today. So, with all of that said and done, that's a check of your weather in general. Thank you so much for watching. Please, I want you to know how much I appreciate your thumbs up, your comments. I may not get to answer them all the time, but I do read them, okay? I read every one of them at some point. So thanks for that, and thanks for subscribing. If it's your first time over here, I appreciate that so much. Everybody have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Peace, love, and kindness to all, and thanks so much for watching.